So we are here in the lab and we are going to have a look at web Bluetooth in practice, the connection over Bluetooth from a WEB Core web client application to here, in this case, the ESP32 module. And the ESP32 has Bluetooth on board. We just wrote the necessary code running on the ESP32 to make the connection over Bluetooth to our WEB Core client application. And over this breadboard, we have connected to our ESP32 here a CO2 sensor. Also, via this wire to this little blue box, we have a dust particle sensor that measures the number of dust particles of 3 different sizes in the air. And also connected here, and this is via a serial port, we have this LED strip, and this LED strip will indicate if everything is safe with respect to air quality or not. And then we have our WEB Core web client application. And on the WEB Core web client application, we have 2 FNC charts. The FNC charts is our FNC technology that allows you to use these user interface controls on Windows, VCL applications, FireMonkey, cross-platform applications running on the Mac or Windows, iOS, Android natively. And it also works within a web client application, so the client browser application running on any browser that exists. And now we are going to make a connection over Bluetooth to our ESP32. So here you see the Bluetooth devices that are found within the area of this PC with the Bluetooth adapter. And so we pick obviously the ESP32 device, and we have at this moment a connection. So that means that the measurements of the CO2 have started and are being shown on the FNC chart, and also the dust particles. It is also this web client application that is responsible for sending or updating our LED strip. So it's actually the web client code that is responsible for changing what is shown on the LED strip depending on critical values for our CO2 measurement or the air particle measurements. So what we are going to do now is cause a little bit of dust here in this area so that we get more dust. And as you can see, the number of particles increase, but not yet to the level that is critical. Let's cause some more dust. And now you can see that we have an alert. The number of dust particles in the air is critically high. And so it is the web client application that will send the message to the LED strip to bring this alert message here. Now we are back to a normal level and we see that the air quality is okay. And now we are going to have a look at the CO2 level here in the air. As you can see, the background CO2 level is now around 400, 500. And now we are going to force the CO2 to go up, and by this causing an alert. So I try this now. And we see, of course, a peak of CO2, and also on the LED strip this was indicated. I can do it once again. This peak was not high enough. Let's try again. And now we have an alert again on the LED strip caused by this CO2 excessive value on our CO2 sensor. So all this was created by using Bluetooth services to do the communication from this WEB Core web client application to, in this case, an ESP32 that we programmed ourselves, where we wrote a little bit code to support this Bluetooth communication to the WEB Core web client application.